Today, I'll walk you through how to create a website with Mailchimp, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to build a professional-looking website so you can effectively engage your audience. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to Mailchimp's website. This is your starting point for creating your website. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Mailchimp frequently updates its interface. Once you're on the Mailchimp homepage, look for the Create button. This is typically located in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking this will take you to the next step in the process, the creation of your landing page. Now select Build Landing Page. This option allows you to start designing your website. Think of this as laying the foundation for your online presence. Next, you'll need to customize your landing page name. This is the title that will represent your website, so choose something that reflects your brand or the purpose of your site. After naming your page, click on Begin. This will take you to the template selection phase. Here, you'll be presented with various templates to choose from. Take your time to browse through the options and select one that resonates with your vision. Remember, this template will serve as the blueprint for your website, so pick one that aligns with your goals. Once you've chosen a template, it's time to customize it. This is where you can add your unique touch, whether it's changing colors, adding images, or modifying text. When you're satisfied with your design, click on Save and Close. This ensures that all your hard work is not lost. The next step is to publish your website. Click on the Publish button to make your site live. This is an exciting moment as your website is now accessible to the world. Finally, click on the link provided to view your live website. This is your chance to see everything come together. Take a moment to explore your new site and ensure everything looks just how you envisioned it. Creating a website with Mailchimp is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your online presence. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.